new generation of creativity calls for a new generation of drones. We spent countless hours restructuring the technology, testing, innovating, shifting from old designs to new designs. We've worked hard in the shadows to bring a new experience to light. Introducing GDO O2, a new portable drone built for everyone. Capturing incredible aerial footage is now even easier than you think. Thanks to GDO, there's now a drone made for everyone that is easier to fly, more portable, and more advanced. We've packed a lot of technology into a small design so you can capture big moments. Our advanced modular design allows it to be portable. The O2 is travel-friendly and lightweight. In fact, you can fit it in your backpack or any small case, all while protecting the controller, motors, and props. Our unique slide arm technology allows you to unfold the drone in seconds and take it to the air anywhere at any time. But don't let its small size fool you, because it still packs a powerful punch. O2 comes with one of the world's tiniest size 3-axis stabilized camera gimbals that records 4K footage. This means you'll be able to capture the most amazing aerial videos without having to lug around larger drones or support equipment. With GPS and GLONASS dual-mode location system, O2 can connect up to 20 satellites fast. And combined with its advanced visual positioning system, you'll never have to worry about losing control wherever you go. Its binocular obstacle avoidance system can detect obstacles in its path and avoid collisions whenever and wherever you need it to. The onboard Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor is designed to support sharper image capture, faster processing, better battery life, and more advanced connectivity that extends image transmission up to 4 miles. O2 is incredibly smart. This way you can focus on the important things, like smiling in your perfect shot. O2 comes with 3 different burst modes, which allows you to capture your best moments from different angles. Vertical burst, horizontal burst, and 5-time zooming burst. You can create 10-second video clips in 3 different patterns: droney, circle, and rocket, just by a simple click. Our visual recognition technology allows the drone to follow you automatically and take selfies through a simple V-shaped gesture. O2 is the first drone that comes with time-lapse and slow-motion functions that require no additional editing. O2 also comes with a smarter return to home and landing feature just in case you need it. Using the foldable remote is easy, or you can use your smartphone as a virtual controller. The GDO Mini app allows you to control the drone easily, perform all smart modes, and share your great moments instantly through your community or social media. Being creative with the O2 is as easy as pointing and shooting. We built this drone so anyone can focus on living in life's moments and being able to capture those moments forever. Behind every video or photo is a story. Wherever and whenever you need it, there's an O2 to unfold your creativity. GDO O2. Everyone, everywhere, anytime.